All right, so we want to go ahead and start by finding a flat surface to lie on. You want to lie on your back with your legs extended. You're going to go ahead and flex the knees and the hips and cross your feet by the ankle. Now this time you want to make sure your knees are at least shoulder width apart and grasp the thighs inside of the knees and start to pull the legs down to the chest. You should start to feel a good stretch in that lower back. Now, this variation, if you want to go ahead and feel more of a stretch or you're having trouble pulling those knees down, you can grasp the outside of your ankles and again, pull your knees down towards your chest.